Hello guys, I'm Menzi and let's start with another episode of What Are We Watching Tonight? And in this episode, we will be watching episode 3, episode 4 and episode 5 of From series. So yeah, let's start without wasting any time. And and this and this channel is very new, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it because I am trying my best to bring out the best type of content to you all. There are a few things that are planned like vlogs and reaction videos and etc. So if you're interested, please hit the subscribe button and also like this video and drop your comments. Please make sure not to give any spoilers because that is a mood spoiler for me, for you, for everybody who is watching for the first time. So yeah, let's start without wasting any time. I'm actually very excited for today's episode. Let's start with the recap. Okay, so it starts with Frank.
Tell my parents I said goodbye.
Mom, Julie killed Norman.
What happened to Norman?
The monsters killed them.
There's no such thing as
So I
monsters,
usually
honey.
prefer watching it on 1.25x. Let me know, how do you prefer?
All this can't be the same place.
ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है कि it is more of like a time travel, time loop kind of thing, and also like उसको थोड़ा बहुत sci-fi की जगह पे they have included something like horror. Oh my god, she's getting dreams of it, which is crazy. Oh, he just woke up from the sleep and he was like on some drugs or something, so he don't know what happened.
God,
What?
Do you have any idea who I am?
He's trying to give धमकी दे रहा है भाई, बंदा धमकी दे रहा है. People waking up in middle of the night is like a little bit scary. Oh, it is morning already or what? Yeah, it is morning. The sun is out. Small place, but still there is a lot happening in here. Sarah, what will be. I just love this line. Que Sarah, what will be, whatever will be.
Tie up loose ends.
Also, we got to know from the last episode that the Frank is in the jail.
So you're telling me that right now I'm in a town I can't.
Dumbass.
Bravo.
He thinks they all are joking. Joke's on you, brother.
Excuse me?
Hey, do you have anything?
He's taking it in joke और ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई तुम्हारा कटने वाला है, brother. He, on the other hand, this little boy is seeing someone. There is a possibility that this could be something like a fight club, and like the little boy that he's seeing could be his subconscious. तो जो वो सोच रहा है वही वो बच्चा सोचेगा, or something like that. Or there's a possibility कि वो बच्चा is a monster and it has been implanted in the little boy's brain.
你今日真係唔使喺度啊！你可唔可以唞下啦？我求下你即係。
It's time for me to learn Chinese now.
點解會咁？
This woman is mad. I just hate this woman.
Let me
She is beautiful. अगर इसका character थोड़ा सा ठीक करें, I don't like her eyes. She kept the door open because of which उसका father is dead.
Stop. Father Katra is here to talk to you about the choosing ceremony.
What's the choosing ceremony?
Here in Colony House or down in the town. It's just part of how we do things here.
I'm sorry, what's that?
Yeah, what is this? Because he was staring. The chief was also staring at What
We
is
call
this?
that the box.
the box.
The only punishment for that crime is a night in the box.
Why
What
tell us
is-
how you use it?
Tonight will be the first.
Tonight could be the first.
There was an incident.
Frank's
the night before
family
you arrived.
was living here. That's horror. That's horror. It was
Passed out
very
drunk.
important for them to see
other end of
because
town when it
otherwise they wouldn't have taken it as
This is what
seriously
happens
as they
when you break
would
the
right
rules.
now, right? He knows. He
Inside
knows.
the RV,
He
I can still
knows.
hear them tapping on the glass. Tabby, whatever this is, it's real. We
He's
pulled all
not
this
taking
together.
things seriously, and he
So,
is
I'm
going to get
thinking
punished. He's
maybe
going to
there's
be
a
shot.
clue.
He thinks this whole thing is a
Am I
treasure
getting
hunt.
warmer?
और
You
मजाक
know,
चल रहा है यहाँ पे.
you have
What are you doing?
I don't think you're supposed to be out here.
Are you looking for something?
Way.
I can help you look.
You ask a lot of questions.
That was only 3.
When Donna cuts me off, then no more peaches.
He's obsessed with peaches. He's obsessed with peaches.
And the boy who lives out here?
They both
What?
know.
Lives out here. I'm checking to see if they've moved.
If what moved?
The trees.
This
you got.
cute boy is moving around in cycles. I don't know what he's trying to do though. He's going to go inside this. He thinks he has cracked it, but he's going to be mind blown. He's dumbass, bro.
Holy shit. Toby, you're a fucking
He still thinks
genius!
it's a joke. Is he dumb? Is he dumb? He still thinks it's a joke. And he has kept the door open. What is he on to? What is he on to, man? He has kept the door open. He has seen a fucking monster and he is still not shocked. He doesn't give two fucks. He thinks, wow, treasure hunt में पास हो गए मैं तो पास हो गया. अरे डब्बो.
Goddamn box as a deterrent. It's supposed to scare people.
Let's say you absolve Frank of all his crimes.
There's a possibility that they are trying to put Frank inside the
What happens when
box.
people realize you lack the conviction to use it?
You're a terrible fucking priest.
He's a priest and he's trying to preach all that. कि kill him, मार दे उसे. भैया,
I'm praising the house of the Lord.
क्या priest हो तुम? Mwah. The box is the talk of the town in this episode.
What are you gonna tell everybody?
Good chances, good odds.
I want to see my girls again.
He has exposed sheriff who was trying to help him. He genuinely wants to die. He's tired of all this.
God damn, I love this.
He is in denial. That's what it is.
Pick one. Fucking sue you. Ow. Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
Oh, yeah, town.
Ethan.
Town.
Colony house.
What's the difference between colony and okay, that is the colony house and where
Yeah.
now he is getting acceptance a little bit.
Oh God.
Now he understood, oh my god.
Toby.
Finally understood that Toby is dead. I don't know what is going to happen with him because they are going to put him in the box and I think the monsters are going to kill him. Oh my god. The monsters are going to come. So to be honest, in episode 3 ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं ऐसे तो. There was only like some emotional trauma वगैरह हो रहा था. लेकिन I was expecting a little bit more जो पता चले, लेकिन of course they revealed about the box, the new guy, the beautiful guy. He got to know that Toby is dead. I would like to know, to be honest, more about Victor and the little boy who is seeing the little boy outside, like he wants to play with him and everything. I feel he is the monster because पता नहीं. And also I would like to know, as of now I would like to know कि ये लोग ये पूरे झंझाल से बाहर निकल पाएंगे या नहीं निकल पाएंगे, because as of now it looks like that the whole situation is very very like complex. They are stuck there. It looks like a loop kind of situation. There is a possibility for a few minutes I felt like वो जो छोटा बच्चा है and the Victor are the same people in different age group and they are living in the same place. ऐसा कुछ मतलब ऐसा कुछ ट्विस्ट आ सकता है, ऐसा मुझे लग रहा था बीच में थोड़े टाइम के लिए. लेकिन I don't know, I could be wrong. Let me trust the process, let me trust what is happening in the series itself. So as of now it is looking like quite interesting. Let me take a little bit break of water and then we'll start watching episode 4.